if actually debtors amount 10,000 is appeared in the balance sheet on 31st December 2017. 1/1/2018 it is shown as a 7,500. In that case, what they say, I mean some values are reduced. How much is the difference? 2,500. So a person who has to give 2,500 for us, he ran away. That is bad debt. So bad debt will reduce the assets value, debtor value. Now asset values are going to be reduced. In that case, revaluation account debit side we have to enter 2 debtors or 2 bad debt. You have to write it. Amount is 2,500. So it is entered. Then third one, furniture to be revalued at 40,000. Actual furniture value is 25,000. Now furniture value to be revalued in the balance sheet. You see here, furniture. First furniture value is appeared in the balance sheet as 25,000. Now they ask us to show it as 40,000. In that case, what it happened? There is a appreciation in the furniture value plus 15,000. Asset values might be increased or decreased. Now it is appreciated, increased. So in that case, add it. So add it 50,000. So that we got the value as 40,000. Now asset values are going to be increased. So in the revaluation account debit side, we have to enter by furniture account. By furniture account, how much amount? 15,000. So 15,000 is increased. So enter in the credit side. Then what they have given, there is an outstanding wages of 4,500 not yet recorded. Outstanding wages is a liability. It should be entered in the balance sheet liabilities column. Now it is not yet recorded. You are going to record it newly. When it is going to be recorded newly, the liabilities values are going to be increased. When assets are increased, it should be entered in the revaluation account credit side. In that case, when liabilities are increased, it should be entered in the debit side of the revaluation account. So 2 outstanding wages. To outstanding wages amount rupees 4,500. It is recorded. The same amount should be recorded in the balance sheet also. Balance sheet liabilities column outstanding wages 4,500. It is recorded. Then what they have given? So all the transactions are entered in the balance sheet. Now the remaining things you have to record it. Furniture is recorded, stock already recorded, debtors recorded, cash in hand. Now you see here, cash in hand, what is the amount? 35,000. So in that case, you see here, cash in hand, old cash 35,000. Now the new partner, he brought additional cash. The new partner brought cash also, capital amount. That is new partner. Who is the new partner? Surya's capital amount. Surya's capital amount 10,000. That also in the form of cash only. So that also should be included in the balance sheet. So 45,000 we have to enter it. So keep it in mind, when the new partner bring cash for goodwill or capital, that should be added also in the cash in hand account. Now it is added 45,000. It is recorded. Then what is given? Asset side, nothing else left out. Here all those things also recorded except sundry creditors. Sundry creditors 45,000. It should be entered in the balance sheet liabilities column. Sundry creditors 45,000. Recorded. Now by one we can close the accounts. First we can close the revaluation account. So you see here, here you got 15,000. Here you got 9,000 only. So 15,000 is the existing excess balance. So you can place it here 15,000. Then remaining here we got 9,000. So difference amount is 6,000. 15,000 minus 9,000 is equal to 6,000. So revaluation account difference amount is 6,000. This 6,000 amount should be distributed to the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio to who are the old partners? Vetri and Ranjit. So to profit on revaluation. Profit on revaluation 6,000. Transfer it to Vetri capital account and Ranjit capital account. So now we see here the 6,000 is going to be distributed to the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. What is the old profit sharing ratio? 3:2. So 6,000 into 3 by 5. 12 5s are 60. 3,600 for first partner, and then 2,400 for second partner. So 3,600, 2,400, it is recorded. So total amount 15,000 we got it. So revaluation account is closed. So now we see here revaluation account debit to Vetri's capital account 3,600, Ranjit capital account 2,400. It should be recorded. So now we are going to record that one, profit and revaluation. So in the capital account credit side 1/1/2018 by revaluation account. Revaluation account debit to Vetri's capital account 3,600 to Ranjit capital account 2,400. Here Surya didn't bring goodwill, as well as the revaluation profit should be distributed to the old partners alone, not for the new partners. Now we can balance the capital account. Here 10,000. In debit side no adjustment for Surya, so we can write here also 10,000. The difference amount is entered as here 10,000. It's a closing balance. And then for Ranjit 20 plus 2 22, 22 plus 2 24,400. 24,400. Here we got already 4,000. So what is the difference amount? 24,400 minus 4,000 means 20,400. 20,400. Now we see here 00 6, fourth position 3 plus 3 6, fifth position 3. So 36,600. Here we got 6,000. So 36,600 is recorded. 36,600 minus 6,000, we got 30,600 difference amount. Now it's a closing balance, so we have to write 1/1/2018 to balance C by D. So the same amount should be transferred here 1/1/2018, that evening date, by balance C B by D 30,600 and then 20,400 and then 10,000. Now see here, after admitting the new partner Surya, their balance of capital account is shown. Now this capital account should be transferred to liabilities column. So now we see here capital account. Who are they? Vetri, Ranjit and Surya. What is the amount for Vetri? 30,600. 30,600. Ranjit 20,400. 20,400. Surya 10,000. 10,000. So now we are going to tally that. 00 6 plus 4 10. 1 is the 1 6. So 61,000 is the capital amount. 61,000 is the capital amount. Now we got it. Now we are going to balance both sides. So now we see here 0 0, third column 5, fourth column 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0, then 1 is there, 5 plus 6 11. So 11 is recorded. So we got the value 1,10,500 in liabilities column. The same way here also we can see last 2 digit 0 recorded, third position 500 recorded, fourth position 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 8 20, fifth position 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So we got the value 11. So now both sides is balanced. 1,10,500, 1,10,500. It's a 5 mark question, my dear.